Coming in at number 1. Now, I'm here to argue with anybody about this one. Coming in at number 1 is going to be Hey, I'm Shadario, and welcome to my home studio where we discuss music and a lot of equipment. In today's video, we're going to be talking about my top 5 UAD plugins. And my favorite plugin of all time is not even a UAD plugin. Stick around to the end of the video to find out what that is. If you ain't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell for notifications. Let's get into number 5. The Teletronics LA2A. Now, I've never used the hardware before, but fire compressor. It gives you more thick, wet sound. It kind of polish it a little bit. You got to kind of know how to use this compressor because it works from the right to the left. Most compressors work from left to right, but you just twist the knobs and just dial it in until you find that sweet spot. It has a fixed threshold. That's coming in at number 5, man. Going in number 4, 1176. Superfire, good on kicks, snares, vocals. I even have the hardware, 1176 as well. Fast attack, another one of those compressors you just kind of got to dial in. 1176, man, definitely add it to your vocal chain. Coming in at number 3, Neve 1073 EQ. So when I first started buying plugins, this was one of the first plugins I bought, going for like $300 at the time, so I caught a little deal. I ended up going buying the Warm Audio 1073. Yeah, but definitely, if you can pick this plugin up, man, from UAD, definitely get it. Moving into the next one, be the SSL Compressor. Bus compressor, let me get that right. I've never used the hardware, but the plug-in, definitely fire. Put it in your vocal chain. It's one of them plugins you just can't go wrong. There's no way you can put too much of this in. Leave your ratio no higher than 4. Sweet. Buy warm vocal, good compressor. Now I stamped that. Coming in at number 1. Now, I'm here to argue with anybody about this one. Coming in at number 1 is going to be TubeTech CL1B. This is the best compressor I have ever used. I'm here to tell you this may be the best compressor ever made. You cannot go wrong with this compressor, and it sounds good. You can just put your vocals through it. Don't touch not one knob. It's gonna be fire. But if you want to, you can dial it in. Fast attack, slow release. You stay to the end of the video. I'm about to show you my number 1 plugin, and this is not even a UAD plugin. Can you drum over this one? API 550. Oh my God. So I ended up going to a studio in Charleston. He had the API console. And on the console he had, a set of EQs on there. And he was just switching, just how he was able to dial in the EQ on those vocals. I came straight home and tried the EQs, and this was the Waves API. You can get this on UAD as well, but I just so happen to have it on the Waves. So I was like, hey, look, out of all these plugins I just used, a dope vocal chain would probably be, you start off with the API, then I would hit it with the TubeTech, come behind it with a DSO. Straight. Hey, look, man, appreciate everybody. We're at 71 subscribers. My goal by the end of the year to reach 100. So I'm trying to learn from you, man. You learn from me. We just rock out together. Appreciate everybody, man. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.